Here's an interesting app called Noom, Healthy Weight Loss, Lose Weight with Psychology. Interesting approach. And this app is in top charts, as you can see. It's getting higher in the charts, even higher during holidays. So yeah, if you're looking to get healthy for the long term, any program can tell you to eat less and move more. Noom is different. On average, new weight users lose 15.5 pounds over 16 weeks. Based on our studies, users lost 2x more weight with Noom than when they trying to lose weight on their own. Through a powerful combination of psychology, technology, and human coaching, Noom empowers you to make healthier choices by better understanding yourself and your behavior. Noom gives you a clear, actionable plan to reach your goal weight and the tools to track your progress along the way. So yeah, then you can just open it up. You can allow notifications. You can just get started. Or let's try to create an account with Apple ID. And then here you just have that. Let's get started. Welcome to Noom. To set up your account, we send you verification link. You can verify it or not. Then you can just start verifying your Noom plan. What's your weight goal? Then you need to add all of these details. And I don't know whether, yeah, like for example, just as an example, yeah, because this is not metric system. So yeah, just for example. So then you just add all of these things here. So here you can just set it up. You can see. And then it's just analyzing my responses from here. Of course, this is just an example. You should definitely take a more serious look at these questions and answer at your own pace. And then it says that I can achieve this goal like literally in 3 months. And then you can start your behavioral quiz. So anyhow, you just have this quiz as well. And then it analyzes your psychological profile. You can just see it here. So a lot of questions here. So now Noom is building out the plan. And usually in this kind of apps, you'll need to upgrade to actually start using it. So let's see if it's the case here. So anyhow, hope you got the idea. That's around that.